You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or greater than negative 133 over 4 equal or greater than negative 331 over 4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 11 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 4. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or greater than negative 133 over 4 equal or greater than negative 331 over 4.